Very succulent, and it's also refreshing. This is a Nengeni tree, and it's also called Ntunduluka in Ndebele, and it's a sour or monkey plum. This tree here, it grows in Zimbabwe, and it also grows in the southern east of Africa. It's used as a fruit, and the good thing with this tree, you can use the bark, you can use the roots, you can use the fruit itself and the leaves. And it can be eaten as food, as a fruit. You can dry the fruit, grind it, and then you can make powder which you can add into your food. Also, you can use the powder to make your maheu, and also you can use the fresh fruit just to do the juices, the smoothie. The oil from the seed, extracted oil from the seeds, it can also be used to condition your skin. It also